Hi, my name is Chris Schultz, Service Director for Dorian Ford. Just want to go over a few winter tips as we get close to that season. We always want to make sure our tires have good tread. We want to check our wiper blades to make sure they clear our window, and we want to make sure that all of our lights are in operating condition. You can always stop by Dorian Ford and we'll check that for you, or if need be, we do have mobile service and we can bring a new set of wipers to you. When we're checking the tread on our tires, we want to check right in here, and you'll see that there is a wear marker right down in here. When the tread depth gets down to that marker, that's when you'd like to replace it. When we're checking our wiper blades, we want to check for any wear or abrasions on the blade itself. When we're checking our lights, we just want to turn them on and make sure that they're all working. Michigan winter season, remember, tires, wipers, and lights, very important.